Okay, so now we're at one of the world's largest cuckoo clocks at the House of 1,000 Clocks. And as you can see, the bear, oh, shut up. There's a bear going up and down from that little cloud formation. And then there's the other bears doing their work. I don't really know what they're doing. Yep, so that's it. Giant cuckoo clock. And this is Triberg. Just being all Tribergy. And there's Josh leaning out of his car. Okay, hey. And there's the restaurant where we had Black Forest cake. Yay! And that's Ham Street. Yay, Ham Street. Okay, time to go.